See, in the second type, number coding. In this question, either numerical code values are assigned to a word or alphabetical code letters are assigned to the numbers. The candidate is required to analyze the code as per the direction. See the first example. If in a certain language, capital A is coded as 1, B is coded as 2, and so on, how is BIDDIC coded in that code? A is coded as 1, B is coded as 2. That is the alphabetical letters, capital A, B, C, D, etc. A is coded as 1, 2, B is coded as 2, C is coded as C, and etc. C. A is coded as 1, B is coded as C, C is coded as 3, D is coded as 4, and so on. Z is coded as 26. So in this manner, BIDDIC coded in that code. B is coded as 2. In I, that is in the alphabetical order, I is coded as 9. I is coded as 9. Next, capital D. D is coded as 4. A, B, C, D. D is coded as 4. Again D. D is coded as 4. Next, I is coded as 9. Next, C. C is coded as 3. That is 294493. 294493. That is A. A is the answer. See the second example. In a certain code, RIPPLE is written as 3382 and life LIFE is written as 8192. How is pillar PILLER written in that code? That is given. R is coded as 6. R is coded as 6. I is coded as 1. P is coded as 3. Again one P is coded as 3. Next L is coded as 8. E is coded as 2. The second one is life. L is coded as 8. I is coded as 1. Next F is coded as 9. Next E is coded as 2. In that manner, what is the code of pillar? PILLER. P. What is P? P is 3. Pillar. PILLER. P is coded as 3. I is coded as 1. Next L is coded as 8. Again 8. E is coded as 2. R is 6. That is the code is 318826. 318826. That is A is the answer. Next question. If GIVE coded as 5137 and BAT is coded as 924, how is GATE coded? GIVE. G is coded as 5. I is coded as 1. V is coded as 3. E is coded as 7. Next here, BAT is coded as B. B is coded as 9. A is coded as 2. T is coded as 4. In the same manner, what is the code of GATE? G. What is the code of G? 5. Next A code 2, T code 4, E code 7. That is 5247. 5247. This is the answer. Next type of coding. If in a certain language CHA or COAL is coded as 45164913 and MORALE is coded as 296137, how are the following words coded in that language? That is C. C is coded as 4. C is coded as 4. C is coded as 4. Next H. H is 5. A is 1. R is 6. C is 4. O is 9. Again A is coded as 1. L is coded as 3. This is given. Next moral, M. Given MORAL coded as M is coded as 2. Given M is coded as 2, O is coded as 9, R is coded as 6, A is coded as 1, and L is coded as 3, E is coded as 7. These are all given. Moral MARALE is coded as 296137. In this manner, what is the code of REAL? R, what is R? R is coded as 6. R is coded as 6. Next E. What is the code of E? E is coded as 7. Here moral, E is coded as 7. Next A. A is coded as 1. L is coded as 3. 6713. 6713. This is the answer. Next, A or CHE are coded as A. A is coded as 1. R coded as 6. C is coded as 4. H is coded as 5. E is coded as 7. R is coded as 6. That is 164576. C is the answer. In the same manner, we got to solve the question 16, 17 and onwards. The next type is number 2 letter coding. Here, when alphabetical code values are assigned to the numbers. See the first example. In a certain code, 2 is coded as P. The P code 2. Next given 3 as N. N code on the 3. 9 as Q. 9 as Q. 5 as R. 5 as R. 5 as R. 4 as A. 6 as B. How 599423 coded in that code? 5. What is 5? 5 is R. Next 9. What is 9? Q. Q. Next 4 2. What is 4? A. 2. What is 2? P. 4 2. 3. What is 3? N. That is RQQAPN. RQQAPN. See the next question. The number in each question below is codified in the following code. That is 7 as W, 2 as L, 1 is M, 5 is S, 3 as I, 9 as N, 8 as D, 6 as J, 4 as B. What is the code of 184632? 1. What is 1? 1 is M. What is 8? 8 is D. What is 4? 4 is B. What is 6? 6 is J. What is 3? 3 is I. What is 2? 2 is L. That is the code of 184632 is MDBJIL. MDBJIL. D is the answer. In the same way, we got to solve the next two questions.